Regents exam, Algebra 1, August 2016, problem number 8. Which expression is equivalent to 36x squared minus 100? In this problem, we need to determine which of the four options given is equivalent to 36x squared minus 100. Notice that the possible answers are all written in factored form. We can figure out this problem by systematically applying the distributive property for each expression given until we find a match. If we are lucky, we only need to do this once, and if luck is not on our side, we may have to attempt this 4 times max. An alternative way to find the answer is to rewrite the given polynomial by factoring it. We can start by first identifying the greatest common factor between all the terms in the polynomial. We first need to identify a common factor between the coefficients of the terms, in this case, 36 and 100. The common factor between 36 and 100 can be found by inspection, or you can write the prime factorization of each number and determine the factors that both 36 and 100 have in common. The prime factorization of 36 is 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. The prime factorization of 100 is 2 times 2 times 5 times 5. Both numbers have 2 times 2 in common, so the greatest common coefficient is 4. Next, we need to determine if both terms have a common variable. The first term has x squared, and the second term does not have a variable, so both terms do not have a common variable. So the greatest common factor between these two terms is going to be 4. Factoring out 4 from both terms, we obtain the following expression: 4 times the quantity 9x squared minus 25. Notice that none of the answers match this expression. This means that we need to continue factoring the polynomial. Taking a look at the quantity 9x squared minus 25, we should be able to identify this expression as a special factoring type, particularly a difference of squares. Recall that a difference of squares, a squared minus b squared, factors into the quantity a minus b times the quantity a plus b. At first glance, the expression 9x squared minus 25 might not seem to match this special factoring formula, but by rewriting the first term as the quantity 3x squared and the second term as 5 squared, we can now clearly see that this expression is a difference of squares, with the value of a from the formula being equal to 3x, and the value of b in the formula being equal to 5. Factoring out this expression, we obtain the following: 4 times the quantity 3x plus 5 times the quantity 3x minus 5. Looking at the answers, we see that option 2 is the equivalent expression.